Hello, this is Asin Law Office. Today I'll discuss the practical benefits of hiring a lawyer for fraud and sexual offense investigations. Although these two types of cases are different, they share a critical similarity. Statements made during the investigation stage are structured into a formal record. This record heavily influences subsequent trials, civil liability, and even your social standing. In fraud cases, the key issue is whether there was an intent to deceive from the outset. If your financial transactions, contract details, and message histories aren't organized chronologically, a simple dispute can be misinterpreted as deception. You might feel you're being treated unfairly, but the investigation record is organized based on legal requirements. That's why it's crucial to reconstruct the facts before you're questioned. Sexual offense cases are even more sensitive. The main points of contention are consent, the circumstances at the time, and the history of the relationship. A single expression or a slight difference in memory can be magnified into something significant. Reacting emotionally can easily cause you to lose your logical defense. Therefore, before the investigation, we define the scope and direction of your statements to prevent unnecessary misunderstandings. Neither of these cases ends with the criminal proceedings. Fraud can lead to claims for damages and enforcement, while sexual offenses can result in compensation for emotional distress, issues with personal information disclosure, and professional restrictions. That's why we don't separate criminal, civil, and administrative aspects, but view them as one continuous process. We prioritize what to contest, what to admit, and whether a settlement is necessary during the investigation phase. During a consultation, we first classify the case. We specifically look into whether it's a simple debt default, an investment structure, or a relationship issue stemming from a misunderstanding. Just as a hospital doesn't treat without an accurate diagnosis, we first analyze the structure of the legal problem. Deciding whether to take the case comes next. Sometimes deciding not to take a case is also a choice made for the client's benefit. When we do take a case, we clearly define our responsibilities, from attending the investigation and submitting legal opinions to handling the trial. We focus more on risk management than on success fees. We also conduct a comprehensive review if the case connects to immigration, professional qualifications, or family matters. The standard I've maintained since starting practice in 2009 is simple. The record remains, and that record determines the next steps. The reason we've operated without dispute since opening in 2014 is that we've always prioritized realistic explanations and thorough preparation. We prepare every case with the mindset that we need to be ready to respond tomorrow. Ultimately, the real advantage of hiring a lawyer is reducing emotional responses and managing the direction of the official record to lower your risk. Asin Law Office handles a wide range of criminal, civil, family, real estate, and administrative cases based on these principles. If you need a consultation, please refer to the video description. Subscribing and liking helps us provide more detailed legal advice.